Hello viewers, welcome to Elim TV, a station where you watch, learn and also interact. Your tutor today is Mr. Wanyoike, an agriculture teacher. In today's lesson, we are in lesson 37, Form 3 work, and the topic is farm structure. And in today's lesson, we are on subtopic, the curve pen. On to the lesson objective. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to state the various types of curve pen, and number 2, explain the various structural requirement for a curve pen. On to the terms used. A curve pen. What is a curve pen? This refers to a structure which is used and designed to house a calf. A calf is a young one of a cattle. There are various types of curve pens which are normally used in the farm. The first type is permanent curve pen. The second one is movable or mobile curve pen. And the third one is concrete floor curve pen. And finally, the fourth one is slated floor curve pen. On to the structural requirement of a curve pen. The first one is concrete floor. Why should it have a concrete floor? Because concrete floor is easy to clean, and therefore it enhances the cleaning of the curve pen. Then the second one, single housing. Why should a calf be housed singly? It should be housed singly so that it will prevent the calf from licking each other and therefore end up swallowing balls of hair which upset digestion. Then the third, the structural requirement is proper lighting system so that it can allow enough light to get in so that it can obtain vitamin D from the rays of the sun. Then we have proper drainage. The curve pen should be properly be drained in order to avoid dampness, because dampness encourages infection. Then the fifth one is drought free. A curve pen should be drought free because a lot of cold wind, if allowed into the curve pen, will result to calf pneumonia. Then we have leak proof. It should be leak proof so that it will encourage the curve pen to be warm and dry. Maintenance. The first maintenance of a curve pen is cleaning. You're supposed to make sure that it is always clean, and therefore a clean curve pen will keep the diseases away. Then repairing leaking roof. You should repair any leaking roof, should be repaired so that it can avoid dampness, because dampness encourages infection. Then we have walls should be whitewashed. The walls, if they are made up of stone, especially stone walled curve pen, they are supposed to be whitewashed, because if you apply paint, most of the paint have paint, and the paint may be leaked by contain lead. Most paint contain lead, and the curve may leak the walls which have the paint, and therefore end up swallowing the lead, which is very poisonous. And finally, we have keeping the floor warm. And how do we keep the floor warm? You should provide litter, especially dry glass, inside which will absorb the moisture content, and therefore keeping the floor warm. We have come to the end of today's lesson, and I'm going to mark the end of this lesson by giving you this assignment. The first question is, you are supposed to state 3 types of curve pen, and the second question, explain any 3 structural requirement of a curve pen. On to the reference, you can refer from KLB Secondary Agriculture Students Book 3, and the publisher is the Kenya Literature Bureau. For more information, you can reach us at Elim TV using the following addresses. The first one is SMS using the number which is well displayed for you, YouTube at Elim TV, Facebook platform at Elim TV, and finally you can tweet us at Twitter at Elim TV _KE. Thank you for tuning to Elim TV. Always tune to Elim TV for you to be enlightened.